taking heroin or something.
Heroin.
Yeah, we take heroin.
I've got some people that call me heroin. Speed, more like that.
What you doing, like? Oh, speed.
You
No.
say I look like a drug, so I can bang you out there right now. You're doing anything like that, innit?
Been on the drugs then?
Yeah.
I expected the normal one. I expected the normal one. She looks a bit normal.
Hey!
She looks normal
She's
one.
a ginger one.
Huh?
So they love you.
She looks like normal. Or in the Bible. Why you keep touching your feet?
Get all down there. If they're so Billy Big Dollar.
No. I'm scared myself, like speaking to you.
Why are you scared of me? Are you scared of drinking?
Well, I feel like I've been taking loads of drugs, so I was bringing you.
Yeah, that's what druggies. Don't touch my rat. Do not touch my rat. I'll take good money
Your
for that.
rat?
That's good money. Do not go there
I
either.
thought you were supposed to bring your friend then. She said it! She said it! Can't live it! Don't mess with her, Matt!
No, she caught it.
I love you!
I'll give you 3 months later.
It's been an error.
You look like a dog. You keep thinking you think.
Oh!
You could be your next fix. No, you look like your next fix.
Another normal one.
I'm not very.
I'm the big one.
You look like you're clucking.
He's called your fucking dog.
Yeah.
You just call me a fucking
Ali, take it.
Do you want it?
You can tell me clicking her fingers. Clicking her fingers.
Call me a fucking
Clicking your fingers.
these fingers, how are we going to say cool? You can get that
Boyfriend.
Is that my boyfriend?
Yeah.
Alright, come on, come down here now.
You're making a boyfriend.
Oh, you.
Yeah, go on, piss off. Yeah, how old are you?
What?
You're 14, 15.
I'm just getting logged up.
3. Okay, can.
Instead of one.
What's it?
Are you drunk?
That's my mate.
I thought you was a police officer. So did I. I thought you was
No,
going to take your mouse out.
It's dodgy. I'll go with it.
Did you just say got half a leg?
Touch me as you go.
Oh.
Can I flick you in the face?
Spit me in the face and I'll tell you what, you will get from that. Get
Oh.
off me.
Yeah,
Get off me. Get off me. Alright, this is like fucking rape. Get off me.
Rape.
Walk away.
Walk
away.
Walk away.
See you later, mate.
Yeah, bro.
Put your car in watch. You just told him to go away, sort it out.
You get lads to go away, don't you?
I've got that all on video.